Alright, still recording? Alright. Subframe looks okay. That, on the other hand, I've seen better days. I don't even know if that is even going to be adjustable. Get the car aligned. I mean, it was working. I don't know. It is leaking under this boot though, so I do have new boots for it. The tie rod ends have seen better days. I just don't know how adjustable these rods are going to be. There's hardly any thread exposed there. So this side was leaking around the boot. There's a hole in that boot right there. Twist off the knot. It hasn't, oh yeah, it has been leaking. There's all kinds of fluid down in there. So this thing needs new seals. Don't know if I'm gonna do that or not. I may just replace it. Kind of depends on, I don't know. These are pretty shot. Yeah, there's quite a bit of fluid down in that dust boot. I guess that ball's pressed in because it won't fit through this side unless it separates right here. I don't know much about these. Don't know how these come apart. I've never taken a Saab rack and pinion apart. But there's still kits for these, for the wipers in here. So there is a way to get these apart. I don't know what to do. I'm gonna have to dig around and research. But this one is definitely, she's a leaker.